Hi, hello, welcome everyone to the another exciting video with a great exciting product launched in the market. And in this video we are not going to see what every reviewer is doing in online, like not giving honest reviews and just reading out the marketing page. But in our video we are going to discuss important points to consider before purchasing adult coloring mandalas pattern books. So without any delay, let's get started. So first question is, why adult coloring mandalas book? Because it will relaxes our brain. Yeah, wait, I will show you. So there are n number of benefits while we are coloring those adult coloring books or mandalas. So it will relaxes our brain and improves our brain function. Also it will induce us meditative state as well as our sleep. It improves our focus and reduce anxiety and stress. So there are more beneficial things about coloring books. Yes, it's interesting, no? But how to choose best adult coloring mandalas which have n number of options in online? Yeah, there are n number of options available in online. So how to choose one good one or perfect one or best one? Simple. This is the answer for why these coloring mandalas pack. Simple. The book which have only great designs. An important point is we can use all those 50 unique high quality coloring mandalas patterns. Also we have the PLR commercial use license. Yes, we have a commercial license to use those graphics or those mandalas. So we have a big opportunity to make a profit from this adult coloring mandala pack by making print on demand t-shirts, or can use those on mugs or hoodies. So we can sell in the platform like Etsy designs in your mug or t-shirt or hoodies. It's great, no? Yes. And finally, what if I'm not satisfied this product? Yes, due to the nature of being digital product which are all mandalas graphic pack, there are no refunds. So refund is only applies for duplicate purchase. Yes, and I hope I cleared all your doubts and questions. If you have any, just comment down below. Our team will there to assist you. So these are the sample mandalas you are watching right in front of you. So you will get 50 high quality black and white same like this, and I already mentioned you can have commercial use license, and also you can unlimited print on demand license like mugs, hoodies, t-shirts. So these are the things. And now, but before signing off, the interesting part is premium bonus. Yes, premium bonus is those who purchase a product from the house of Panda. So who are all purchasing these products from our Panda, which the link mentioned below. Those who are all eligible to get premium bonus from our house of Panda. And the bonus is not some useless promoters give 10s or 20s of free bonuses which is completely useless. Here we as a house of Panda designs a premium bonus in order to help all those who are either entrepreneur, marketer, or doing 5 to 9 to 5 job, or even a student, whatever you may be. That's a 5 premium bonus. To know more about that, click the link mentioned in the description. And how to avail that? Simple. Just purchase the product from the link mentioned in the description and upload that receipt of your purchase in the link mentioned below. That's all. You will receive your premium bonus within the day. I hope I cleared all those doubts and questions. If you have any, just comment down below. And that's all for today. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.